If your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus has stopped vibrating, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Over here, just tap on Haptics. Now if it is on Never Play or Do Not Play in silent mode, just select Always Play. Just like that. After you select this option, then go back and tap on Ringtone. Under the Ringtone section, just tap on Haptics. Now if it is on None, your iPhone will not vibrate when you receive a phone call. So make sure you select a vibration pattern from here. Just like that. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Touch. And over here you will find the option of Vibration. Now if this toggle is disabled on your iPhone, you will disable all the vibrations on your iPhone. So make sure you enable this toggle if you want your iPhone to vibrate. And by doing that, you will fix the vibration issue on your iPhone. But if this did not fix your issue, then just do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the vibration problem on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.